Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to apply 3D cartoon style to our video in CapCut. Alright, here I have imported my video to CapCut. Then we're going to turn the boy in the video into a 3D cartoon. Let's get to it. And first of all, click on the video until this option appear on your screen. Then you can click on style right here. And you can scroll all the way to the right until you find 3D cartoon. Just keep scrolling. Oh, it's right here, guys. So this is the effect that we are going to use, and just click on 3D cartoon effect. Then wait until 100%, guys. Alright guys, and now the boy on the video has turned into a 3D cartoon, and that's how we can apply 3D cartoon style on CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe this channel. See you on the next video. Bye!